Now with your fur coat teddy bear, you have your choice of jointing hardware. You could use cotter pins. These are T-cotter pins and the little metal discs. Or you can use bolts and lock nuts, which is what these are. Or you can do a combination of the two, which is what I'm going to demonstrate. I am going to use bolts and lock nuts for the arms and legs, and I'm going to use a T-cotter pin for the neck. I like using the bolts and lock nuts in the arms and legs with my fur bears because it's a stiffer joint. But I like the T-cotter pins for the neck because it allows the neck to tilt a little bit and give cute poses. Now when I'm doing the bolts and lock nuts in the arms and legs on the fur bears, I do a little preparation first. When I'm using the bolts and lock nuts for the joints on my fur bears, I prefer to use the method where I glue the bolt to the inside joint disc. Now since I'm gluing it to the joint disc, I don't need the metal washer on this side. To glue these, I like to use either this E6000 flexible glue or I'll use an epoxy glue. Those are very strong and that way your joint stays secure inside the bear. Now I'm going to cover my work surface with a piece of foil. And I've got some toothpicks handy because they'll help me to spread the glue. Now I'm going to put the bolts already through the discs, and then I'm going to push it forward a little bit to have this space so that I can get the glue in there. This, let's see, and then I'm pulling the bolt so that it's tight against the joint disc, and then I just might make sure that's good, and then I'm going to let it dry upside down like this, and that's why I'm using foil, because I'll be able to peel it off. I let these joints dry for about 24 hours, so you need to plan and do this ahead of time. You do that whether you do use epoxy or this E6000. I have tried super glue and I've not had success with super glue. It always ends up breaking when I use super glue. It's the bond isn't strong enough in my experience anyway. Make sure these are flat. Now, if you wanted to do this with the neck, you could, but you'd need to use a slightly longer bolt because it's got more fabric to go through. There we go. Just put that down flat and let those dry for 24 hours. I have let these dry overnight and now we're ready to take them off the foil. You see the foil is stuck to it, but that would be just fine.